If you've been hearing about Notion but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that can help you take notes, manage tasks, plan projects, and organize your life. The best part is that it's flexible, so you can make it work exactly the way you want. Today, I'll walk you through the basics so you can start using Notion confidently. When you first open Notion, you'll see Pages on the left-hand sidebar. Pages are the building blocks of Notion. You can create a page for anything: your tasks, your notes, your projects, even your goals. To create a page, click New Page, give it a title, and start typing. Inside each page, everything is a block. A block can be text, a heading, a checklist, an image, a table, or even an embedded file. You can move blocks around by dragging them, which makes it easy to customize your pages exactly how you want. Next, let's talk about basic blocks. Type to see all the block options. You can add headings, to-do lists, bullet points, numbered lists, toggle lists, and more. If you want to add a table or a calendar, just type table or calendar and select it. Blocks are super flexible. You can mix and match them to create the perfect layout for your page. Once you're comfortable with pages and blocks, try using databases. Databases are like super-powered spreadsheets where you can store, organize, and filter information. You can make a database for tasks, a reading list, a project tracker, or anything you want. Each row is an item, and each column is a property, like date, status, or priority. You can view the same database in different ways, such as a table, a board, a calendar, or a list. This makes it easy to visualize your information in the way that works best for you. Another beginner-friendly tip is using templates. Notion has built-in templates for planners, habit trackers, budgets, study notes, and more. Just click Templates on the sidebar, pick one, and duplicate it. Templates save you time and show you how to structure pages without starting from scratch. Finally, start small. Don't try to organize your entire life in one day. Create a simple page for notes, a task list, or a weekly planner. Use it daily and gradually add more pages and databases as you get comfortable. Notion works best when it grows with you, not when you overwhelm yourself at the start. Once you understand pages, blocks, databases, and templates, you'll see how powerful Notion can be. With a little practice, you'll have a workspace that keeps everything organized, productive, and easy to access. Notion isn't just an app, it's a tool that can truly simplify how you work and plan your life.